Hello viewers, students and friends. Welcome to my channel, and today we are discussing the various types of ages in a very short video. You just remember the names for your paper, and in which there are short questions and there are long questions also. And you can watch my more videos on my channel regarding these ages of English literature. So let us not waste our time. So ages of English literature, I have divided 15 ages of English literature. For example, the first age is Anglo-Saxon age. That age is a very important age as far as the English literature is concerned. So in this age belongs to the age of Chaucer. So second age is Middle English period. So 1066 to 1500. Pardon me, this age belonged to the age of Chaucer, and Anglo-Saxon period is just a historical period in which the various wars of Hastings and different things are discussed. Renaissance period, this is very important age, the age of Shakespeare and Marlowe, and it is also called Elizabethan age. So Elizabethan age is not different from the Renaissance period, but Renaissance period longs further as compared to the Elizabethan age, because Elizabeth died in 1602 and Renaissance remained to somewhat 1616 until the death of Shakespeare. Next is Jacobean, Caroline, Commonwealth, and New Classical Age, and Restoration Age, and Augustan Age. This is called the Puritan Age. It was the age of Puritan, specifically 1602 to 1660, and after that 1660 to 1700 it is called the Restoration period. The next is Augustan Age, and it is 1701 to 1745. You have to remember the main writers of those age. In post Renaissance, the one of the greatest writer of that time was John Milton, and you should not forget his beautiful work of Paradise Lost. In Restoration period, there is a period of change and calamity around the world, and it is a period in which looseness and licentiousness were thrown over the English literature. And in this era, first time the female characters were introduced in the dramas, and before that, there were only male characters who were disguised as females. The next is age of sensibility, or the Augustan age. So it belonged to the classicism. Augustan age belonged to the King Augustus, which ruled in classical Roman, and those writers who followed the path of Cicero, Horace, and Homer and Virgil. For example, Alexander Pope and Dr. Samuel Johnson, who followed the unities of drama and different things. They are called the Augustan age and the age of sensibility. Next is Romantic age. You have to remember two kinds of poets in the Romantic age. For example, the first generation Wordsworth, Coleridge, and Southey, and the second generation, that is called the younger generation, that is John Keats, P.B. Shelley, and Lord Byron, and other people. And the next, which is very important age, that is called the Victorian period. Victorian age is known as Queen Victoria, and after that there is modern age. Modern age, as you know, the 20th century, it belongs to the age of science and discovery. So thank you very much.